class on Blackboard. And this is the same for other classes, like microbiology. But here we are in the 1410 class, the intro bio. And you're just going to come over here on the left side and click on Learning Modules. Then you are going to go to Module 1. And to make this more realistic, let me change this to Student View. Same steps, Module 1, click to launch. When you launch this, the first time, you won't be signed in to the McGraw-Hill part of what you need for this class. So you'll register. And that's a pretty simple process. There's no course code, there's no payment, because this is IncludeEd and it's all integrated. And so once you do that, once you register, then in future, when you click on to an assignment, it'll take you directly into the assignment. So let's see here. I was trying to exit Student Preview so that I can click through and show you a little bit more about how to use the McGraw-Hill part of this material. So again, we're just going to click through to an assignment. And after you registered, it'll be live. And what we really want to do is see how it is, how it's going to look for you. It's going to take you into the SmartBook first. And the SmartBook is a little bit different than the ebook, which we'll cover next. Here we are in Chapter 2 for this assignment. It brings up information just like it would if it was a print version. And it has different features, like, as it said here, this text is dimmed because right now it's less relevant for you to study. And that means, in part, that a question you're going to get is going to be over this information rather than this. To get to the questions, you click down here on Practice, or you can use the Shift-P keyboard command. Then you get to a question. Maybe you're not so sure about that answer and you'd like to look that up. So you can read about it. It's going to go back to the SmartBook and it's going to bring up the part of the SmartBook that pertains to that exact question. And that's highlighted. So you can take a look and go back. Do you know the answer to the question now? There's also a slide that pertains to this information. That might help you answer the question all by itself. So, then if you wanted to continue from the slide, you just click and you'd be back to the question again. So that is using the SmartBook and your homework assignments together. If you just wanted to read in the book, let's go to Student View. This is how it will look, and you'll find this link, right? If you want to go to an assignment, you're going to click over here under Assignments. But if you just want to read, you're going to go to this link. And that's going to bring you back into the reader. That's a place I was a little while ago, so it brought me right back to that place. Say that you went on and you wanted to highlight something. To highlight it, you're going to select it and highlight it, or remove the highlight. So that's some of the ways you can use your ebook, different than the SmartBook, and the highlighting in the SmartBook has to do with the questions that are asked in the homework. Another way to get back to the ebook is through Blackboard. And here you're going to and just use the ebook link. And so if you want to link from Blackboard to the book, use that, and then pick ebook, not SmartBook. SmartBook has the highlights that go with the homework. This is where you can highlight and make notes for yourself. Okay, hope that helps.